Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial you are going to learn how to save product picture and video on 1688 Chinese website. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you come to your browser right here from the top here, and make sure you head over to 1688.com, just like so. Then having opened up your 1688 website, you can simply scroll down and look for the particular product that you would like to get a video or picture, just like so. So this product right here, I'm going to get this particular shoe product video. So for us to get the product video and product picture, we need to simply right click on the product link, and then we have to navigate to open link in new tab. Then we have to go to the new link. So just like so, we have the product video right here. Okay, what we need to do is to simply right click on the video link. Then next thing we need to do is to simply make sure we navigate to save video as. Then I'm going to save the video in a folder on my desktop. So I have to navigate to my desktop right here, and I will save it in this particular audio file. Then I'll come down below here, I'll click on save. So in a few seconds, your download folder is going to prepare, just like so right here. So we just need to exercise on patience to allow the file to completely download on our PC, just like so. So the file has completely download. We can simply click on the video to play it on our PC. So let's check it out. So just like so, we have the video right now on our PC. So let's see how we can use the same method to download product picture into our PC. So I'm going to minimize the video right here. Then I'll head over back to my 1688. So I will select on the picture this time around. Then I will right click on the picture, then choose save image as. Then I will also save the picture right here. I'll click on save. So in a few seconds, your download folder is going to prepare, and everything will be downloaded, just like what you see right here. Successfully download, just like so. So I can simply go back to my folder on my PC right here. Then I have my desktop. Then I'll have to locate the file, audio file. I'll press enter key on my keyboard. So just like so, by the time I simply refresh, then we have the picture and we have the video file. Okay, so I can simply press enter key on my keyboard just to view the picture. So just like so, we have the picture on our PC successful download, and we also have the video on our PC. Let me play it again. And we also have the video successfully download from 1688 website into our PC. So basically, this is how to save or how to download product picture or product video from 1688 on the web. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.